So I started cleaning up all the messes I made while I was building this project. And it hit me, I did have the means to rewire my power supply to be 24 volts. I have the row of taps from the transformer that if you add them up, you can get 24 volts, or you can get less than that and go with a full wave bridge and a capacitor and then run the filaments. So that's what I did. I redid this. If you put in running a command radio with DC, you'll find the newer conferences, they tell people don't bodge the radio, the transmitter up, leave it original. So basically, and here's how it sounds now. Okay, so we're done. We're done. We're done. I don't have to think about this for a while. In the interim, I was eating, and I had a tooth break. You know, I'm getting up in that age where, you know, the teeth are going to need to be replaced or taken out or whatever. And sure enough, I was hoping to make it to my birthday without having a problem with a tooth. And it's amazing how it works in life. You know, you buy chicken, you get a piece of chicken on the day you lose a tooth. You get a piece of chicken that's very, I'd say, chewy. You're chewing a piece of food and there's a hard piece there. And the whole time you're chewing, you're like, I hope I don't lose a tooth. And you do. You lose a piece of a tooth, or an old root canal tooth just breaks apart. But yeah, having fun. But, you know, as I started cleaning up, it bothered me. You know, the new conference, they referred to this one guy. And he's the guy that says you should run the filaments on DC voltage. And I have all the correct voltages. This unit is all self-contained. 24 volts for the filaments, 250 for the oscillator, and the screens is whatever, 2 something. You can adjust it with the front knob, and then you got your plate voltage. So, you know, in the long run, I did build a power supply that complements this transmitter. Okay, and that's where I'm at now. And it's a matter of studying to get the license, learning the code. And I know a lot of people, you don't need the code. Well, you do to use this transmitter. Okay? It's that simple. You can't go on 80 meters with voice unless you have an extra license. Okay? But anyway, that's about it. I think that's it. You know, I worked really hard on that. And now I'm going to go take a nap. I really need the nap. I'm stressing out with the tooth breaking and everything else. But, you know, I was hoping to make it a couple more months before I had to see a doctor or whatever. But, you know, I'm up at that age now where, you know, you go in and get the prostate checks once a year, and that all got messed up because of COVID and all this other stuff. So it hasn't been fun, but it's nice and sunny out there today, and I think it might get up to 32. I think that's it. All right, that's it.